Well, you remember last time we discussed everything perishes. The things we use perish. The world in which we live, it will also perish one day. The people we hold very close to our bosom, they will also depart from this world and leave us at our own mercy. They will leave us alone. We will be alone in the wilderness and in this world. Even our life is short. Today we will discuss what Shah Sahib says more about the theme of mortality throughout his voluminous book of poetry called Shah Sahib. Shah Sahib says that this life which is adored by you will be finished by death suddenly, one day. So death is inevitable and death will visit to you suddenly, and it can visit to you in any shape, any form. Even the victim may not know about it. Victim means a person who dies. Take the example from Surdahar. Shah Sahib says, Adinde odane ladana ji kana kai. Adinde odane ladana ji kana kai lakho matha tanne och to hi ayo. Those people who were building houses, small tiny houses, huts, they were building houses, they were thinking they would live forever. They were thinking they would stay in those houses and places they were erecting, and they would stay there forever. Adinde odane ladana ji kana kai. They did not deem or think about death, migration from this world to another world. Lakho matha tanne. Lakho word is allegorical here. It refers to death's attack. Death attacked them all of a sudden. Prior their permission, prior their consent, prior their will. Adinde odane ladana ji kana kai lakho matha tanne och to hi ayo. Do you know, man does not think about death because he enjoys the comforts of this life. Man thinks, I have a palace, I have a house, I have a lavish lifestyle, I have a happy lifestyle, I have a happy life to live. Why to be worried about something that I have not seen and experienced it yet? Lakho matha tanne och to hi ayo.